Here's my 2019 We the People Doomsayer, 20.75. We got a 13 rear end. It might be 12.9 right now. It's not all the way slammed. In the rear, we got a Colony free coaster hub, 9-tooth driver, Salt Plus non-side drive hub guard. We got the Daily Grind driver side hub guard. Sits pretty flush with the dropouts. We got the Colt Slick D-Hard tires, 2.4 front and back. They're pretty nice. Here we got the We the People Dylan Lloyd pegs in 4.5. All four. Here we got a Shadow tripod seat, fat. Looks pretty good with the frame. The chain, we got a Shadow Interlock V2. Hasn't gave me any problems. In the drivetrain, we got a S&M Sweet Leaf sprocket and a 25-tooth bash guard. L-Claw Spire cranks.
So I've been married twice. I've been engaged 5 times.
Odyssey Pro PC pedals. They're pretty wide compared to the normal twisted PCs, which are really nice. The front end, we got Colt AK bars, 9.35, 28 wide. They're pretty nice. Right here we got the 48mm Animal Innovate stem. Sits pretty flush with my steer tube. Below we got the Primo Strands, 13 offset. I've had these for like 3 years, and they're nice for nose manuals. Shorter the offset, the better, I guess. Front we got a Odyssey complete front wheel with the nylon hub guards on both sides. It's a pretty nice complete wheel. Never had any issues. Rolls super fast. Got the Colt D-Hard slick tire in the front, 2.4 also. Grips. We got the Colt Shawnery Cannons. I don't know what else. I think that's all of it. My last frame was a Battleship, 21-inch. And raw. You don't really see any raw Battleships out there. Kind of one of a kind. Probably gonna miss this frame. I love that short rear end, 12/7 slam. It's pretty nice. Might have to switch back. I don't know. But here's my Doomsayer, guys. First one in Alaska. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.